In the hustle and bustle of life, we often forget to pause. The constant noise, the endless to-do lists, and the perpetual motion can make us lose sight of what truly matters. We get so caught up in the whirlwind of our daily routines that we rarely take a moment to breathe, to reflect, to simply exist without any external pressures. We forget to connect with ourselves. In the midst of our busy lives, we neglect the most important relationship we have, the one with our own inner being. Taking time to look inward, to understand our thoughts and emotions, is crucial for our mental and emotional well-being. It's in these quiet moments that we can truly hear our inner voice, the one that often gets drowned out by the noise of the world. Me time is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's a vital part of maintaining our mental health and overall happiness. When we allow ourselves the space to be alone, we give ourselves the gift of self-awareness. We can explore our passions, our dreams, and our desires without any distractions. This solitude is where creativity flourishes and where we can find clarity in our thoughts. It's about carving out time for yourself to simply be, to exist in a state of peace and tranquility, away from the demands and expectations of others. This time is sacred, a moment to recharge and rejuvenate. It's in these moments of solitude that we can find a deeper connection to our true selves, free from the roles we play in our everyday lives. To reflect, to reset, to rejoice in your own company. Solitude allows us to process our experiences, to understand our emotions, and to gain perspective on our lives. It's a time to celebrate who we are, to acknowledge our strengths, and to work on our weaknesses. In these moments, we can find joy in our own presence, appreciating the unique individual that we are. This time allows you to recharge and reconnect with your inner self. It's a chance to step back from the chaos and to find balance. When we take the time to be alone, we can listen to our bodies, to our minds, and to our hearts. We can practice mindfulness, meditation, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature. This connection with ourselves is essential for our well-being. It's an opportunity to step away from the demands of daily life and tune into your own thoughts and feelings. In solitude, we can find the answers to our questions, the solutions to our problems, and the inspiration for our dreams. It's a time to be introspective, to understand our motivations, and to align our actions with our values. This self-awareness is the foundation of a fulfilling life. Me time is about self-discovery and self-love. It's about nurturing the relationship we have with ourselves, understanding our needs, and taking care of our mental and emotional health. In these moments of solitude, we can find peace, joy, and a deeper sense of purpose. So take the time to be alone, to connect with yourself, and to embrace the power of solitude. Nature has a unique way of calming the mind. Hiking, with its rhythmic steps and breathtaking views, offers a chance to reconnect with nature and yourself. With each step, you leave behind the weight of worries and stress. The fresh air invigorates your senses, and the beauty of your surroundings fills you with awe. Hiking is not just about physical exercise, it's a journey of self-discovery. It's about pushing your limits and realizing your inner strength. The beach, with its vastness, stretches out before you, an endless expanse of sand and sea. The horizon seems to merge with the sky, creating a seamless blend of colors as the sun begins to set. The ever-changing tides, with their gentle ebb and flow, create a sanctuary for the soul. Each wave that rolls in brings with it a sense of renewal, a reminder of the constant cycles of life. Walking barefoot on the sand, you feel the grains beneath your feet, grounding you to the earth. The cool breeze caresses your face, carrying with it the salty scent of the ocean. The sound of the crashing waves fills your ears, a natural symphony that soothes the mind. The rhythmic sound of the waves has a calming effect, easing away tension and stress. Each wave that crashes against the shore seems to wash away a bit of your worries, leaving you feeling lighter and more at peace. As you walk along the shoreline, you can't help but reflect on your life. The solitude of the beach provides the perfect backdrop for introspection. You think about your past, your present, and your future, and the choices that have led you to this moment. The vastness of the ocean reminds you of the bigger picture. It puts your worries into perspective, making them seem smaller and more manageable. The endless horizon symbolizes the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Standing at the edge of the water, you feel a sense of connection to something greater than yourself. The ocean's timeless rhythm mirrors the rhythm of your own soul, reminding you that you are part of a larger, ever-changing world. Your worries seem smaller, your perspective shifts, and you find a renewed sense of clarity and purpose. A good book can transport you to different worlds, taking you on adventures you never imagined. It can introduce you to new perspectives, allowing you to see life through the eyes of characters from different backgrounds and experiences. Through these stories, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. Reading allows you to disconnect from the outside world and dive deep into your imagination. It's a sanctuary where you can escape the noise and chaos of everyday life. It's a conversation with the author and with yourself. As you turn each page, you engage in a silent dialogue, reflecting on the words and ideas presented. Each page can offer new insights, challenge your beliefs, and push you to think in new ways. It can inspire new ways of thinking, encouraging you to question the status quo and explore new possibilities. Reading is a journey of self-discovery, a chance to explore your inner world and connect with your emotions. It's an opportunity to delve into your thoughts and feelings, to understand what truly matters to you. Through the pages of a book, you can experience a range of emotions, from joy to sorrow, from excitement to tranquility. Each story has the power to touch your heart and leave a lasting impact on your soul. Books are more than just words on a page. They are gateways to new worlds, new ideas, and new understandings. They are companions on your journey of self-discovery, always there to offer comfort, wisdom, and inspiration. So the next time you pick up a book, remember that you are not just reading a story. You are embarking on a journey, one that has the potential to change you in profound ways. Embrace the adventure and let the pages guide you to new horizons. In the end, getting lost in the pages of a book is not just about escaping reality. It's about finding yourself, discovering who you are, and understanding the world in a deeper, more meaningful way. So dive into a good book, let it take you on a journey, and see where it leads you. You might just find that the destination is a better understanding of yourself and the world around you. The gift of silence. Hearing your own inner voice. In the silence, you hear it. Your own inner voice, often drowned out by the noise of the world, finally gets its say. This is the magic of me time. It's in the quiet moments that you gain clarity. You begin to understand your thoughts and feelings better. This newfound clarity helps you make better decisions and live a more authentic life. Gratitude in solitude. Appreciating the simple joys. When you take the time to be alone with your thoughts, you start to notice the little things, the things you usually take for granted. A beautiful sunset, a good cup of coffee, the sound of rain. Suddenly, these simple joys fill you with immense gratitude. This feeling of appreciation can shift your entire perspective, making you more content and happy. The transformative power of me time. Me time is not just about relaxation, it's about transformation. It's about giving yourself the space to grow, to heal, to become the best version of yourself. Through self-reflection and introspection, you gain a deeper understanding of yourself. You become more self-aware, more confident, more compassionate. This transformation then ripples out into all aspects of your life. Making me time a priority. It's easy to let life get in the way of self-care. But just like you schedule important meetings and appointments, you need to schedule me time. Treat it as a non-negotiable part of your day or week. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a world of difference. Whether it's reading a book, taking a walk, or simply enjoying a cup of tea in silence, make it a habit. Overcoming the guilt of self-care. Many people feel guilty about taking time for themselves. They feel like they should be doing something else, for someone else. But remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential. When you feel refreshed and rejuvenated, you're better equipped to handle life's challenges and be there for others. The ripple effect of me time. The benefits of me time extend far beyond your own well-being. When you're happy and fulfilled, you bring that positive energy into your relationships with others. You become a better partner, parent, friend, and colleague. Me time is an investment in yourself and in all your relationships. Conclusion: embrace the power of me time. In a world that constantly demands our attention, me time is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's a time for self-discovery, for reflection, for gratitude, and for growth. Make it a priority. Embrace the power of solitude and watch as it transforms your life.